This is one of our interchangeable frame night lights. It's put together the same way our other interchangeable night lights are. You have the two front and back pieces that are 1/8 inch or 3 millimeters, and then the middle piece is 1/16 or 1/8, which with double-sided adhesive on each sides. You just make sure you have your orientations correct on all three of the pieces before you start. Peel the backing of one side of the middle insertable piece and then attach it to the back of the frame. You want to make sure that you get all of the sides flush so that the insert slides easy in and out. Once you have that, you press it down to keep it in place, and then remove the backing on the front side and attach the front of the frame. Once the frame is put together, you want to sand the piece that's going to attach to the clip of the nightlight and sand the nightlight itself. I use 80 or 100 grit sandpaper. Once you have sanded both of those, you apply super glue to the wood piece, and then once you have done that, then you attach your clip, hold it in place for a few seconds, and then allow it to cure for a couple of hours. That'll ensure that it's firmly in place and cured. And once that is done, then you are done. This is just giving you some examples of the insertable pieces. These are 3.5 inch acrylic inserts from Smoky Hill, and then there's a group from H&H Acrylics or H&H Creations as well.